Alright guys, here we go again tonight. Subterfuge box break number 945, courtesy of 643boxbreaks.com, where all my homies hang out with me. So here we go. Peanut, Bob, Lunchy, Rich, Lunchy, Matty, Hunter. Welcome to 643, man. I'm cheering for you on this one. You guys usually do good. I hope you do good in this one. Killer, Lunchy, Matty, Hunter, Peanut, Killer, Bob. Like I said, Todd has the Ninja, so he got all three dart listings, so he gets an extra 3 darts. And the Taz just won the Boom Sauce card, so I had to reload it. It's not the Epic Boom Sauce card, the regular Boom Sauce. Rich and Maddie and Hunter and Patrick and Lunchy and Rich and Bob. And hey, sing it, Hunter and Lunchy. Oh. Now, if Beans was on here, I'd be getting hungry. A lot of lunch, some beans. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Whatever. 12 darts for Todd. Oh, did he? Hunter sniped you. You like the Isles? Oh, you want the 4 thingy, right? So, single 2 is your first darts. And double 17. Oh, right. He does have the RPA in there. Single bull. Yeah, there's 6 left. Sorry, bud. Double 16. I should email you whenever I do playbook, because you always get in it. Single 18. Silly me. I'll put you on the product. Oh, Todd. Oh, it's an OPT pack, Todd. Don't get too excited. And 6 is a 9. 6 dart is a 9. So OPT pack for Todd so far, and 6 more darts coming your way. Double 11. Got single 5. Triple 12. Hey Wes, how you doing, bud? Single 15. Double 2 and 1 more. Can I pull that 643 or whatever you're looking for? No, I can't. And this is where Todd goes, boo, you suck. But you'll unpack them. Hey, you got a pack of OPT. It could have a patch in it. It don't have a patch in it. You got a sticker of Clauseroo the kangaroo. And, hey, there you go. Rookie Retro of Evgeny Kuznetsov. That's actually a nice card. Rookie Retro. Nice. Kuznetsov. Kuznet is off. Wow, that's horrible. Wait, Todd. For your pun, Todd, I have to go. All right, ending in 444. It's a partial 777 almost. Box feels heavy. So good luck, guys. I'm out of RA already. The price came down a little bit, and I did some pretty aggressive pricing on this spin actually. Oh, not much in the fat pack area. Oh. Boo me. I think your RPA is safe. Uh-oh. Look out west. For the Florida Panthers and Hunter. First hit goes to you, Nick Bugstad, Hot Rookies. And for the Nashville Predators and Rich. Oh, nice. Kevin Henderson auto. Kevin Henderson Prism autograph, earning Rich a double 14 for your pile. You got a double 14, Rich. Rich wins everything when Kepper isn't here. Stafford, Cooter for the Dallas Stars. And Killer. You got a Sean Horkoff score update. And yeah, look, Rich wins everything when Kepper isn't here. How about a second autograph of the box going to Nashville of Magnus Hellberg, Score Hot Rookies autograph, earning Rich a second double 14. And base. I still like this stuff. I'm cheering for Hunter too. For the Anaheim Ducks and Peanuts, Frederik Andersen, because we've got to have our Anaheim goalie in RA. You know that. There you go, Peanuts. And for Lunchy, you had to go to work, but you got a Patrick Way. Patrick Way. I got him confused with Lyndon Vay. But no, this is Patrick Way. Because every box has to have a capitals. Just like select. So there you go. You're on the board at least. You got a Antti Ranta rookie card going to Lunchy. And for Lunchy again, and the Ottawa Senators. Prism update of Bobby Ryan. Bobby Ryan. Oh, that's interesting. Hey, it's that guy for Tampa Bay and Rich. It's Jonathan Marchessault, or whatever his name is. I don't care. And for Lunchy, wow, I've never pulled this guy before. Julian Melchiori. Oh, Hunter, you can be here for a year and still not... like, some of our guys have been here for a year and they still don't know what's going on. But you'll pick it up, don't worry about it. It's basically just a... as you get hits, for me, it's a loyalty bonus. UC Jokinen for Pittsburgh and Bob. Score update. Yeah, Tuesday night, you want to be here Tuesday night. If you have two teams in mind, you get a chance to win hobby boxes. It's great fun. Oh, here we go. Hunter, you just got your first dart, buddy. Because you got a jersey card of one of my favorite rookies. Boone Jenner. That's going to earn you a single 14. So later tonight, you can check out the cricket page and you'll see your single 14 on there. Boone. I was hoping it was autographed. It'd be awesome. To Shane Marlowe for the Canes and Lunchy. You got Jared Stahl, because there's just not enough stalls around. And who's got... oh, Lunchy. You just earned a triple 14 for this. Dual jersey autograph of Jordan Schroeder out of 249. Double blue swatches. There you go. Lunchy, you're on the board with a triple 14 for your cricket score. And you got a triple... wow. Something interesting. So shiny. You got a triple 14, so a triple 14 is good enough to get an insert of a card. So you can get an insert of whatever's on the insert page. Or if you want to save up, you can get something better. A hobby box later on. For Lunchy again. Oh, yeah. Patrick Way. This is a select refractor version. The short prints. But it's not worth any darts. And, oh, nice. Let's see this one good enough very often. Hunter, you got a good one. Prism rookie card, Thomas Hertel. The Turtle. Not worth any points, but it's a nice card. Really? Yeah, if I had to watch my break, I'd probably want to scream too. And base. And for the Buffalo Sabres and Lunchy, Johan Larson. And for the Carolina Hurricanes and Lunchy, select update of Nathan Gerby. Wow, holy cow. Lunchy, Enjoying your box of rookie Anthology? And hot rookies for Rich of Radko Gudas. I like this guy. Good hitter. And, oh, this is a nice one. Going to Lunchy. Ah, yeah, that works. Luxury Suite jersey and autograph out of 99 of Philip Grubauer. Earning Lunchy his second triple 14 of the break. And this concludes the break. Wow, that wasn't the best box ever, but not bad. So thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you on the playbook bin in a few when she sells out. Have